Hey guys, Nolan here, Johnson RV, Sandy, Oregon. Beautiful day in the Pacific Northwest. Today we're going to be checking out this brand new Winnebago Travato. This is the 59K model, that's the floor plan. Travato's been around for a while. People absolutely love them. Beautiful gray exterior on this. Full length running board. Nice power awning. Let's check out the inside. 59K is basically a rear bath setup on these guys. So you got twin beds here, seat belts on the driver's side. These come together and make an absolutely massive bed. Everything you need in this coach. You got 2-burner gas cooktop, convection microwave, nice little refrigerator, sink area, plenty of counter space, extra storage here, lots and lots of storage in these Travatos, which I absolutely love. Again, twin bed setup, does come together and make one nice big bed. You can put your lagoon table right there. You can put it up front. You got TV. And then in the back here is your rear bath, which I absolutely love because, again, look, we got more storage. What else could you ask for? Absolutely beautiful, wonderful coaches. Again, my name is Nolan, Johnson RV, Sandy, Oregon. Today, I got my buddy Ben Maddox behind the camera today. Either one of us would be happy to help you out. Let us know. Thanks.